Huh? Let's wait. Bye! Wow! A train! Oh no! My car broke down! Let's check it. It's broken! Hello?
Jannie, is my produce coming?
I'm a little behind, but I'll try my best to get there.
Okay, Jannie. See you soon.
How can I deliver my stuff now?
Huh? What happened, Jannie?
My car broke down and I need to deliver things.
Huh? You can use my train.
Really? Thank you.
Bye, Jannie.
Bye. The train broke down.
Hello? What happened, Jannie?
Your train broke down.
On my way, Jannie. Let me check it. It's ready, Jannie.
Thank you.
Bye, Jannie.
Bye. Uh-oh, I lost some products. I have to go back to the store. Let's get more products. Tomato. Pickle. Hello?
Jannie, will my delivery be here soon?
Yes, Auntie Amy. And if it's not delivered in 5 minutes, it will be free.
Cool. Bye.
Uh-oh, I better go.
Huh? The train isn't crossing.
Hello, Charlotte.
Hello, officer. There's no train here, so can I cross?
Huh? No, the light's flashing. You can't cross. When the light is flashing, that means the train is coming soon, so you cannot cross. Here's your ticket.
Aww.
And you need to go to traffic school. Train should be here soon.
Delivery is here.
Finally.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here you go, Jannie.
Bye.
Jannie, can I work with you?
No, not yet. You need to go to traffic school, remember? Come on, Charlotte, let's go. First, we need to know a little bit about history.
Okay.
Many years ago, people used horses as transportation. They used to deliver mail and all sorts of other things. But horses get tired.
I'm tired. Huh? Let's take a break and drink some water. We have a lot of mail to deliver.
And it took a long time to deliver it. So, a British engineer invented the train.
This machine will be ready soon. It's done.
So that they could deliver it faster.
Wow.
When you see this sign, that means there's a railroad and you should be careful. When you see flashing red lights, it means to stop. When there's no more red light, you can go.
Oh, okay.
If you don't follow the rules, you can cause an accident.
Okay, officer.
If that happens, you can receive a penalty or go to jail. And you don't want that to happen.
No, officer.
And now, time to take your exam.
Okay. I'm done, officer.
Let's check. Question 1, correct. Question 2, correct. Way to go, Charlotte! You passed!
Cool. Bye, officer.
Bye! Good luck!
Jannie, I want to ride on your train.
Where's your ticket?
Here you go.
Thank you!
All aboard.
Come on! And let's go!